Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a stunning timepiece that blends elegance with functionality. It's one of the Armani's Exchange gold bracelet watches. So if you're looking for a watch that really makes a bold statement, then you'll want to stick around for this one. So let's go right ahead and pop the hood off this one, and behold, what a beauty this is. I mean, wow, that's all I can say, man. And feels really solid in my hand, really solid. Now this watch is premium. Feeling it and seeing it on TV, it's two different things, but when you actually have this in your hands, then you know you have something of absolutely amazing quality. Let's see what else is in the box. And all right, this is the manual. Quite tiny, those writings, so I'm just gonna put this aside and get to the real price. Talk about design and aesthetic. Let's talk about that, the aesthetic and the design. This watch is a real head turner with the gold-plated stainless steel case. The gold tone gives it a premium vibe, yet it's not too over the top for me. It's sleek, sophisticated, and has that unmistakably Armani flair to it. Look at this large 45mm dial. Now this isn't just stylish, it's also practical, and it makes the wrist stands out, making it perfect for someone who just want their accessories to speak for themselves. In addition, it has a rotating bezel. Check this out. Now Armani has really mastered the art of subtle branding here. And if you notice, in the center of it, you can see the AX logo in the watch face, engraving the brand. Even on the knob, you can see the Armani AX logo, adding a touch of sophistication that is just unmistakably Armani. Now this thing not only shines in aesthetic appeal and design, but also in features and functionality. I forgot to mention that this is the Armani Exchange AX. I think that's what the Exchange is, the short for the Exchange. 1752 watch. Now it shines as both a timepiece and chronograph. Now if you look at the center of the watch, you will see three sub-dials. Now these are not just here for aesthetic and styling, but they are practical. There is the one that tracks minutes, there's the one that tracks seconds, and then there is the 24-hour format. In addition, if you look at the side, there is also three knobs here, three extra knobs, one at the top, one at the center, which I think it's the main crown knob, and there's one at the bottom of it, and all these controls the chronographic function of the watch. It's incredibly functional for those of us who love precision. Plus, it's water resistance for up to 100 meters, which means that you can take this beauty swimming or wear it when it's raining cats and dogs outside without a worry. If you also look at the face, look at the digits, you can see that they're quite bold so that they can be read from different distances. Simply mean that you don't have to be squinting your eyes when you want to figure out what the time is, because they're just bold and beautiful at the same time. Quite a nice blend of style and practicality. What I also like, if you look at the hour hand and the minute hand, you can see that they're accented by a white edge, providing a contrast to ensure that they stand out against the gold metallic background. And let's talk about the second hand, which is super quiet. So it means if you're like me and you like to sleep with your watch on at night, you don't have to be worried about the tick sound from the second hand, you know, which can be quite annoying if you think about the watch on the wall in your living room or your bathroom or your kitchen. This one is super quiet, so you don't have to be worried about this annoying sound. It's just absolutely silent without the ticking sound. A nice touch of refinement, I would say. Now let's talk about the fit. Just gonna, wow, this is so easy to adjust. You just squeeze it by the side there, those two things, and there you go. It extends the hand of the watch. And as you can see, Armani just put their logo all over this thing, man. It's there, it's under there, it's there, it's here. I mean, if a brand choose to put their branding or logo all over a watch, it means that it's super premium. Obviously, I can tell before I put this on, it's gonna be a bit big for my hand. But what I like, it's the customization where you can actually remove links from this so that it fits perfectly. It's super, I don't want to say super heavy, but it's substantially heavy, feels premium, and I like that it can be adjusted to the size of my wrist. So I believe whatever the occasion is, this thing will just complement any look, and it feels good on my hand already. I feel like my hand just got an upgrade. Yeah. This timepiece was constructed from high quality material, so it's built to last. The gold plating is resistant to scratch and wear, making it great for you to invest in a timepiece like this, providing that you're going to take care of it just like anything else you might own. And the mineral glass protects the dial from minor bumps, which is always a nice bonus. My final thoughts: if you're someone who values a luxurious look paired with solid functionality, this Armani Exchange AX1752 is a fantastic choice. It's bold, stylish, and built to perform. So whether you're gifting it or you're buying it for yourself, this timepiece is great, and I don't think it would go out of style anytime soon. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up or 2 thumbs up, and subscribe, like, comment for more watch reviews, lifestyle, and other tech content like this one and the other ones before. Let me know if in the comment section if you're considering picking up one of these beauties or if you're already an owner of one of them. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. What is below my nose? I'm out.